Tammy Slaton, the star of TLC's hit reality show 1000 LB Sisters, has once again captured the spotlight with a transformation that fans didn't see coming. After years of health struggles, weight battles, and deeply personal challenges documented on television, Tammy has now debuted a brand new stunning smile makeover. For many viewers who have followed her story from the beginning, this marks not just a cosmetic upgrade but a powerful symbol of her resilience, healing, and determination to embrace a healthier, more confident life. When Tammy first appeared on 1000 LB Sisters alongside her sister Amy, her health was the primary focus of the show. Her struggles with morbid obesity, food addiction, and respiratory issues became central to her narrative, and while her physical weight was often discussed, fans also noticed that her dental health was an ongoing concern. Missing teeth, discoloration, and other visible issues had long impacted her self-esteem, and Tammy frequently avoided wide smiles on camera. While Amy had undergone dental procedures in the past, Tammy's oral health often took a backseat as she prioritized medical treatments related to her weight and breathing difficulties. For years, viewers speculated on whether Tammy would ever pursue dental work, but given her critical health status at the time, most assumed it was unlikely. That all changed recently when Tammy shocked fans with a completely transformed look, unveiling her radiant new teeth on social media. The photos and videos quickly spread across Instagram, TikTok, and fan forums, leaving audiences stunned at the difference. The once shy star who often covered her mouth when laughing now proudly flashed her pearly white smile, radiating joy and confidence. Tammy's new teeth are more than just cosmetic. They symbolize a rebirth of sorts, proof of how far she has come since her near-death experiences. After undergoing bariatric surgery, losing hundreds of pounds, and finally leaving behind her track tube, Tammy is now focusing on areas of her life she once thought impossible to fix. A smile makeover is typically not a simple procedure, especially for someone who has faced the extensive medical challenges Tammy has endured. Dental experts speculate that she likely underwent a combination of treatments such as implants, veneers, crowns, and possibly gum contouring to achieve her new look. Considering the costs and recovery time associated with such a transformation, Tammy's ability to undergo this makeover highlights both her improved health and her commitment to investing in herself. Fans have reacted overwhelmingly positively to the reveal. Social media is flooded with messages of support, with many calling her smile the best glow-up yet. One user wrote, "Tammy has always had a beautiful soul, and now her smile matches it." Another commented, "She looks so happy and confident. You can tell this was life-changing for her." The makeover has not only improved Tammy's appearance but has also inspired discussions about the importance of dental health, particularly for individuals recovering from obesity and other health crises. Dental problems are often overlooked in discussions about weight loss journeys, yet they can drastically affect a person's self-confidence, nutrition, and overall quality of life. For Tammy, the transformation is deeply personal. Throughout 1000 LB Sisters, she has been vulnerable about her insecurities. From being bedridden to requiring oxygen tanks, Tammy's journey was filled with struggles that went far beyond physical appearance. But her new smile represents her victory over obstacles many once thought she could never overcome. It is a reminder that her story is about more than weight loss, it is about reclaiming her life in every possible way. Her smile makeover also comes at a time when Tammy has been making significant progress in her personal relationships. Recently engaged to Andrea Dalton, Tammy has shared glimpses of a newfound happiness and stability. Some fans have even speculated that her decision to fix her teeth may have been partially motivated by wanting to feel her best ahead of wedding preparations. Whether or not that's the case, there's no denying that her transformation has elevated her confidence as she enters this exciting chapter of her life. Tammy's supporters are already imagining how stunning she will look walking down the aisle with her radiant new smile. Beyond the personal joy, Tammy's dental transformation has sparked a wider cultural conversation. Reality TV stars often undergo cosmetic enhancements, but Tammy's situation feels more relatable and inspiring to fans. Unlike Hollywood celebrities with unlimited access to procedures, Tammy's makeover came after years of genuine struggle, perseverance, and medical recovery. It feels less like a vanity choice and more like a long overdue reward for surviving and thriving after near-fatal circumstances. Of course, not all reactions have been supportive. As is common with public figures, especially those from reality TV, some critics have dismissed her makeover as superficial or questioned whether it was paid for by TLC. Others have suggested that Tammy should have focused on maintaining her weight loss before pursuing cosmetic changes. But these criticisms have been overshadowed by the wave of positivity and admiration from fans who recognize the depth of her journey. Tammy herself has addressed the importance of her makeover in interviews and posts, expressing how it has made her feel more confident and motivated to continue prioritizing her health. She has acknowledged the role her teeth played in her insecurities and has celebrated this achievement as part of her overall self-love and healing process. She explained that fixing her smile wasn't just about looking good for cameras, it was about finally feeling good about herself when she looked in the mirror. With her new smile, Tammy also joins her sister Amy in embracing major life changes. Amy has been more open about her own journey, sharing updates about motherhood, weight fluctuations, and her ongoing self-improvement. The sisters' bond continues to be a central theme of the show, and fans are hopeful that upcoming seasons will showcase Tammy's smile makeover in greater detail. Viewers are particularly excited to see her interactions with friends and family, now that she feels freer to laugh and smile without self-consciousness. Experts point out that Tammy's smile makeover may also have significant health benefits. Poor dental health can worsen conditions like diabetes and heart disease, which are already risk factors for someone with Tammy's history. By addressing her oral health, Tammy isn't just improving her appearance but also taking proactive steps toward safeguarding her long-term well-being. Her makeover might inspire other fans struggling with similar issues to seek dental care, recognizing it as a crucial part of their overall health journey. The reveal has also reignited fan interest in 1000 LB Sisters, with speculation about whether TLC cameras captured Tammy's dental transformation for the show. If included, it would mark one of the most emotional moments in the series, as fans have literally watched Tammy fight for her life season after season. The addition of such a personal milestone would not only enrich her storyline but also provide inspiration for viewers facing their own challenges. As Tammy continues to thrive, her smile makeover represents yet another victory in a journey many thought impossible. From surviving medical emergencies to achieving massive weight loss, and now to proudly showing off her brand new teeth, Tammy is rewriting her story in real time. She has proven that no matter how many setbacks one faces, it's never too late to reclaim joy, beauty, and health. For fans, Tammy's smile is more than just teeth, it's a symbol of her survival, strength, and newfound confidence. Her story reminds viewers everywhere that transformation comes in many forms and that every small victory deserves to be celebrated. Whether it's losing weight, learning to walk again, finding love, or simply smiling without fear, each step marks a new beginning. Tammy's smile makeover may be the latest chapter in her life, but it certainly won't be the last. With wedding bells, continued health progress, and an ever-growing fan base, Tammy's future is brighter than ever. And now, with a smile that lights up every room, she's finally ready to embrace it all. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.